Wait, good morning. Today topic it will be how many chapters in total? Two, right? Yesterday class we completed text formatting text, right? Quizra sir, is completed. 20 out of 20 coming. Any mistake? See, 20. See, first time you got the 17 means you retake the quiz one more time. Malira say, make sure that you got the 20 out of 20. 20 out of 20. Did you check the learning? Learning check, sir. It's also working fine. Learning. Yeah, we got a 4, right? 4 like text formatting text. 4 completed. Asala. See, always use the laptop, try to work on the laptop, try to get some clarity about the process. That's it. Hey, today topic is list. Coming to the list topic, list. So list is there, right? List is used to display the data in proper format, structured format. We have the list data. So we have the list like there are three types of list we have. One is what? So the list types is one or two and three. One is what list? Order list. Order list is there. Next one is what? Order list, and we have the unordered list. Third one is what is the definition list is there. Like three types of list we have: order list, unordered list, definition list. See, list is very big important. All are important on fine. Order list is like see, we are seeing like all the grocery items like in one order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, like the grocery items, and the top 10 movies we have, and gym benefit program, training benefit programs. They display like a device information, RAM size like that, hard disk size like that. These are all what list format they display. It is displaying like point by point, right? That point by point is called what format? List. Yesterday class we talking about what paragraph. So when heading is there, complete paragraph is there. We need to talk about the paragraph. Today is a paragraph format, list format, list format. I like item by item we have to display. See, there are three types of list: order list, unordered list, and definition list is there. See, when to use order list? Tell me guys, when to use order list? When to use order list? No, when to use order list? So number format. Okay, fine. Okay. Alphabetical order. See, the question is what is the need of order list? When you use order list? When you use order list? So you want to display the data like list item where the order is important, sequence is important. Where the sequence is important, you can go for what about order list. So where the sequence is important, you can go for what order list. So tell me, so top 10 movies are there. Top 10 movies means what sequence is important, right? So first movie, second movie, top 10 movies. Top 10 movies means sequence is important. First movie, second movie, third movie, like that. Top 10 movies you're getting, right? Like that, you tell me any sequence is important. Wait, you want to display the data like sequence is important. Top 10 movies means what? First movie, second movie, third movie, up to 10 movies, right? Where the sequence is important, you can go for what? Order list. Or tell me like that some example. You want to display the list of items where the sequence is important. We need to follow the same sequence order. That is called order list, right? Top 10 movies, I written one example. You tell me one example. Top contact number order is important. Huh? Okay. Top 10 students. Huh? See, top 10 movies means top 10 students, top 10, all top 10. It's not like any other scenario. Tell me. You want to display the step by step process where the sequence is important, order is important. Top 10 movies, one order is important. Inka? We are top 10 movies, order is important. Inke one time. Huh? Top 5 batsmen, top 5 watchmen. We are already top 10 అయిపోయింది. You tell me another scenario. You don't take again top 10 movies or top 10 students or top 10 watchmen or top 10 faculties and top 10 అట్లా కాదు. Another scenario tell me. Largest population, top 10 largest population, right? అది కూడా top 10 కదా. But is not top 10. అది కాకుండా sequence is important data. అది చెప్పండి. Okay, fine. Syllabus. Yeah, syllabus is what the sequence is important, right? Syllabus sequence is important, not important. For me, not important because I don't know what topic I will teach. No order. Sometimes I will teach that. Yeah, employee onboarding process. Very good. So this employee onboarding process is like top. And this is every company follows like onboarding process like employee onboarding process. They go for the step 1 submit the document, step 2 KT, step 3 project assignment. We have the steps. Employee onboarding process. Employee what? Onboarding process like that. And we have the career preparation steps, right? So websites are showing the step 1, step 2, point 1, point 2. Yes, sir. No, career preparation steps. Are important, not important? For boys, order is not important. We follow the order for career preparation. Generally, what you will take one bowl and put all the vegetables, stir right. For you, order is not important. But chef order is important, right? First, you see, chef means what? Even millisecond, like seconds, also very important. That time only they'll put that item. See, guys, curry preparation steps, which you follow by chef, right? Chef will follow curry. That's like order list steps. That's it. So, order list oil tag opening and whatever, oil tag closing, order list. Every list item you can take the LI tag. LI tag, like just to take the item 1, just you can close the LI tag. Item 1, item 2, item 3, like this. So, order list to take the tag is whatever, oil tag. Every list item you can take the LI tag. Every list item is what? LI tag, right? Exactly. Guys, that is like we have the order list data like that. Good. Guys, let me write one small example. Go for the online compilers. Let me write the code in online compiler today. Previously, we know how to use Edit Plus, right? Today, just for the testing purpose, let me go for online compiler. Go for the HTML. In HTML, we got the file like this. If you want to increase the font size, let me increase the font size in online compiler. Let me make it as a bold. Yeah. And if you want to cite the you have the theme also. If you want, you can change the theme. So here TextMate is there, Eclipse is there. Like we can change the theme also. And here we build online compiler. That's our online compiler. Our online compiler, just you can make the theme like this. So guys, when you write this one, right side also, if you want to increase the font size, let me increase the font size to see properly. Guys, welcome to CodePulse, right? Good. Guys, you copy this code here and just you can paste and check the output is coming or not. Yeah. Good. Guys, if you place like that, the output is coming like that, right? Good. Guys, go for the topic is whatever order list. Take the title is like the title is what? List type. Just let me take the title is like list. What the tag is, if you take the order list here, top 10 movies I want to take. Just you can take the H1 tag. Top 10 top 10 what movies. So guys, top 10 movies we got like that. Just you can go for what tag? Order list. OL tag opening and bottom, OL tag closing. So you guys, you can go for the LI tag. See, in online compiler, first tag you type automatic tags are coming, so no worries about that. So if you want LI tag means you do one thing. Just you can type the LI. Just LI can type, click on enter. Then opening and closing will come automatically. Right? You don't write again opening your tag, LI, these are not required. See guys, top 10 movies I want to place. Tell me. For the first movie, tell me here. Just let me write the first movie is what? Pushpa. So yes, when you write the Pushpa, right side you can see top 10 movies. By default, it's coming as numbering, right? What a numbering here? 1. 1 is the Pushpa. Like that, you can place some 5 movies at least here. Just you can make the 1, 2, 3, 4, and what? 5. So right side you can observe like what we are getting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That is called order list, guys. Tell me, so Pushpa is there. Next one is what? Bahubali. Tell me some movies, tell me. And Pushpa, Bahubali. Movies are KGF, good. KGF is there. Good. Next one. KGF and here triple R you can take. And hey, like that. So right side you can see the data like we got the Pushpa, Bahubali, KGF, triple R, and what? Last movie. Huh? Vikram. Pushpa. Already asking about Pushpa. Tell me, I think I'll write the movies what baby is there. Na? Good. Just you can write the baby movie. Good. Is like top five movies he written like that. See, there is called order list. Order list means what by default you follow sequence number is what about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by default sequence number is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers will start right. That is called order list. Order list, yeah. Order list, right? Good. So you want this number, you want some like Roman numbers. This numbers okay, na? Roman numbers you want. Assume that you want Roman numbers means an order list like order list there. You take the attribute like type attribute. Type equal to just you can make the Roman number like I. Roman number I means what? Right side you can see the observation here. What you got here? Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Like type attribute guys. Type attribute you can make the Roman numbers like we got the 1, 2, 3, 4 and what? 5. No sir, I want capital Roman numbers means you can give the capital I. Then right side you can see the capitalize are changed. No, sir, I want ABCD means you can make it as ABCDs. No, sir, I want capital ABCDs means what? Type attribute, right? What attribute? Type attribute. Type attribute A means what? ABCD is coming, right? So by default, numbers will come. If you want, you can change the Roman numbers, small Roman numbers, capital Roman numbers, small A's and what? Capital A's, right? Exactly. Guys, I removed attribute like the type attribute. If I remove the type attribute, what the numbers we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See guys, but you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, reverse format, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Assume that if you want 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 means just you can use the attribute like reversed. See, that is called what about reversed. Once if you make the reverse attribute, the data is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is called reverse attribute. One is the type attribute to change the data, like numbers you can check. Reverse attribute you can coming like reverse format. Reverse format, second attribute. And the third attribute, like by default sequence number starts from 1, right? But assume that you want sequence number starts from like 2 onwards. Sequence now you can check the output here. We got the sequence number from what? 2 onwards, right? Assume that you want 5 onwards means sequence number starts from what? 5. Like that, where you want to start the sequence number, you can go for the start attribute. So OL tag, how many attributes we discussed total here? 3 attributes. Attribute 1 is what? Type attribute. Type attribute purpose is what? To change what? Jitendra under fire, toxic and good. Hey, how many attributes we discussed? 3. One is the type attribute. Second one is the reverse attribute coming as reverse attribute can go for the reverse order. Third one is what? Start attribute where you want to start the data. Right? That is called order list. Order list means where the sequence is important. That's all. Sir, I want unordered list. Okay, fine. Sequence is important, not important. Sequence is what? Not important, right? Sequence is not important. Go for the order list or unordered list. Unordered list. Unordered list means sequence is not important. Go for the unordered list. But the sequence is what? Not important. Take the tag is like UL tag is unordered list means what? UL tag opening and UL tag is closing as unordered list. Every list item again you can take LI tag only. LI tag opening and what? LI tag closing. Just you can make it as a what? Item 1. And you can copy the item 1, item 2, item 3 like this. This is another list. See guys, we have the training program benefits. They'll written the first benefit, second benefit, third benefit, right? Are important, not important? Not important. We have the when you purchase the mobile, they give the RAM size, hard disk size, screen width like that. The features, right? Are important, not important? Order is not important, right? Order is not important, you can go for like what list? Another list. What list here? Another list, right? Exactly. Product features. They given the product feature like we have the protein like this and fiber like this. They given the step by step, right? That is like another list. See guys, go to the application here. Just you can write the top or not top here. Just some favorite fruits you can write. Some fruits you can write. Some fruits guys. Just you can take the tag is what? OL tag, UL tag. UL means what? Order list or not list? Another list, right? Exactly. So guys, today use the online compiler to do the example. So the advantage is what you don't need to type the every character like that. See guys, day by day you should be updated. See, first day we are writing tag by tag. Today you are not ready. Just click on enter button, tags are coming. Tomorrow you don't need to write this code also. This complete code will come automatically. Yes, sir. No, yes, sir. Like that, step by step, I will move to the application point of view, like how the developers will write the code. First day, Lightwell and Russell. Today, just tags are coming automatically. After a few days, this complete code will come automatically. complete what? Code will come automatically. Guys, another list you can take the li tag is there. Just right side we got the another list li tag, and you can write the some fruits guys. Here. The first fruit is what? Apple. Can you see right? This is a apple. We got this is like bullet right? That is called another list, another list, another list. See guys, we got some like list item, list item, list item, list item like this. See guys, we got all the bullets right. That is called another list, another list, another list. So we go some fruit names. Apple. You can write the mango. You got pomegranate. Pomegranate. You come and write the spelling here. Small spelling you tell. Banana. Banana and you can write the grapes. Pomegranate and tetra spelling. That's like grapes. Last one is what oranges. Like that. Okay, right side you can see the data like these are called bullet list. That's all. Order list, unorder list. Order list and what? Unorder list, right? Yeah, see guys, but here we have the option like again we have the attribute like type attribute. Type attribute means what different values are coming, right? Just you can write the circle is there. What data is here? Circle. When you make the circle, what we observe here? Some bullet. Previously got the bullets. This is a full filled bullet, empty circles are empty circle, right? Yeah, that is possible like in empty circle. And you can go for the squares also. Just you can write the square. If you write the square, right side you can see. I think spelling wrong word. SQR is square. Now you can see the right side is the squares are coming right. Exactly. So type attribute here we have the limited like only circle and this is what circular square. So by default coming what bullets. By default what bullet next circular next square. Sir, I want different styles means we go for the CSS. I'll apply the like check marks, like different symbols you right. But as of now, these are the possibilities, right? Good. Okay, how many lists completed total here? 2 completed. One is the order list. Second one is the order list is completed and order list is completed, right? Good. Okay, that's it. Wait, just order list means what? OL tag classes and LI tags, list items. Unordered list means what? UL tag the list items. That's it. The third one is what is your definition list. What list? Definition list. Coming to the definition list, guys, the definition list is taken by the tag like DL tag. Definition list is opening and what? Definition list is closing. See, guys, definition list is taking like a definition term and the definition description, like something like question and answer format. Question and what answer. Like that, guys, the definition term is taken by DT tag. DT tag opening and what? DT tag closing. So here definition term. See guys, we written the term like we write the coffee. Definition term is the coffee. For the term, you write some description. You write what? Some description. Description means what? DT tag. Definition term. Definition what? Term and definition description. Definition what description, right? Description is what the coffee is nice. The coffee is nice. What every day I will take some coffee. I will take the 2 coffee, something like that. You can write that. Definition, description, right? Good. Guys, DL tag guys. Definition list. Definition list contains what? Definition term. Okay, term description. Term description. So to write the term, what the tag is DT. DT means what? Definition term. Just you can write the definition term is what the T, right? Just let me write the T definition term. Just you can close the definition term. Definition term DT tag. Next one is what about DT tag. Definition description. And just you can have the definition description like that. That's enough. Because that is called what tag of definition list. See, order list means OL tag list items. Unordered list means UL tag list item. Definition list means what? Definition term and the definition description. Okay, that's it guys. Just you can come to the file and let me go for the paste the data here. Let me delete the previous. Just you can paste the code. Now you can see guys, this is called definition term. Definition term. This is called definition description. So term will come description. Term and description, right? That is called 3 types of list guys. What are 3 types of list? Order list, unordered list, definition list. Order list means where the sequence is important. Unordered list means sequence is not important. And the definition list means what? Term and description. Term and what? Description, right? Hey, like the within 10 to 15 minutes, we need to summarize the concept. That's all. It's not like sitting and writing the first tag, the second tag, by hearting the concepts. It's not like we should have the clarity. Okay, when this order list sequence is important, go for the order list. Order list contains OL tag, LI tags. That's all. Definitely, like another list means what where the sequence is not important. Bullets format I want display, go for the what list? Definition list, right? Another list. Third one is what definition list. Term and description, go for what list? Definition list. That's the list completed. Yes, that's it. Yes. It should be summarized like that. It's not like sitting 2 days list topics, 5 days in Amirpet classes, 5 days they list text formatting text. This is a bold text, italic text. What is right? Bold means bold text. Go to Google, very important. It's not like that. That's not wrong. Yes, sir. Because Ratan sir is the too much real time. Right? That's what I'll summarize within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That's all. List how many minutes you take in here? 10 minutes. We understood what order list, sequence important. Unordered list, sequence is not important. Definition list, term and description. Order list means the name itself saying OL diagram. Every item LI diagram. Unordered list, UL diagram. Like UL diagram, right? So that's it, guys. Got it? Hey, do you know comments, right? Comments. What the comments? Comments purpose is what? Comments. C language, C, Java language, any language contains a comment, right? But the purpose of the comments? No? Who understand? You understand? I understand. Then who understand? What the purpose of the comments? Comments in why you are writing the comments? What is the purpose of the comments, Master? What is the purpose of the comments? Description about the description about yourself. Then what? Description about the code. You are writing some description about the code. Why we are writing a description about the code? You only written the code, right? Who written the code? Vivek Rasan. Well, who description Rasan? What the purpose of the comments? You told that to write a description of the code. Description. Why you are writing a description? That's a question. You only written the code, right? Why you are writing the description? Your people. To whom? For me? I know Java, I know much Java. I know some Java, I know .NET, I know. And you are writing the comments, huh? You written the code, you are writing comments. Comments means what to write a description about the logic. Why you are writing the description about the logic? To understand the logic easily, right? To understand what? Logics. But the logic written by you only, right? Then why you understand the logic easily? Real-time comments are very important. Why? Even though I written the logic, I should write the comments for that logic. Because real-time, what happened, real-time developers are zero importance for us. But when the companies, you guys are not important for us. Because you guys are important, you guys are permanent to my company, code is permanent to my company. You are permanent to the company, code permanent. Both are not permanent. Code is permanent. Code is permanent, right? What's your name? Monica. See, Monica written the logic very well. Monica written the logic and she knows Java very well. She written the complex logic like that. But she didn't write the comments. After 1 month, she has some issue with what? Team lead. She said like, no, I'm resigning this company. Bye bye. She said bye bye. She said bye bye means what? What the code she written? That code is maintained by what? Some other person, right? That code is maintained by what? Some other person. When some other person like what's her name? Rajni's company came to the company, but Rajni knows only basics of Java. Then Rajni can understand the Monica code. Rajni can understand the Monica code. No, right? So it means it will take some time to understand the code. That's what based on the company. I join the company, some new company. I never check the code. I will check the comments first. I will check the comments. I try to understand what type of logic they written internally. That's what best comments are very important. So to write the description about the logic, because application maintenance becomes easy because you are not permanent to the company, code is permanent. When the new developer come to the team, the new developer able to understand the code, right? So that's what code is very powerful. Yeah, comments are used to write a description about the logic so that easily we can understand. Not we can understand who coming new person, he can understand the code clearly. That's what write the description about the logic. Got it? Good. And see guys, Monica written the 100 lines of code. Monica written how many lines of code? 100 lines. Then I came said like Monica, you please execute the first 50 lines of code. First 50 lines of code. I said like Monica, you please execute the first 50 lines of code. Then what the Monica will do? Monica written how many lines of code? 100 lines. But I told what? If Monica 100 lines not required, first execute the first task of 50 lines of code, execute Chimaka. But she has the code with how many lines? 100 lines. What she will do then? Generally, what the junior developer will do, they'll remove the 50 lines. Why you are removing the code? I asked like that. No problem, sir. I will do control check. I will do what? Control check. That is not at all good practice. See, guys, in real time, when the code is as of no time being, the code is not required. You please comment that code. You don't delete the code. You comment what code. You don't delete the code. That's what, guys. For the time being, you disable the code. You go for the comments. See, today I written the code, I decided not useful. I decided not useful means what? I will not delete. Just let me make the comment. Maybe tomorrow that code will be important for us. Yesterday we feel that is not important, but today we feel that okay, yesterday code will be better when compared to today code. That's what if you don't delete the code. So in real time, when you written something, they never delete. They will make it as comment. They'll make it as a comment. Who knows? Tomorrow maybe that code only important for us, right? That's what, guys. Time being to disable the code, you can go for the comments. Comments are used to write the logic, description about the logic so that new person can understand our code when they join the company. Second one is what? Disable the code time being. You can go for the comments. And comments are executable code or non-executable code? Non-executed. Those are not executed, right? Exactly. Yeah, that's it, guys. Like today class, this is like about the I written the comment. This is about what list definition list. I written the code like this. Okay, if I want to comment here to write the HTML comment, just you can have the syntax like that. What the syntax for the HTML comments? You know what the syntax for the HTML comment? Exclamatory you can start hyphen hyphen. Syntax here exclamatory hyphen hyphen. You write the code hyphen hyphen close. You write the code hyphen hyphen and what close. That is what syntax is here. Comment syntax, right? Exactly. That is the syntax of what? Comments. The syntax of whatever comments. See, guys, in online compiler, if you want comment this one code means just a control slash you can type. Control slash means what? Automatically is coming as what? Comment, right? Okay, what we have to type control slash. Control slash is shortcut for the comments, guys. In Java, .NET, Python, or UI, any language, just you can go for the ID, just you can control slash. Control slash means what? Comment will come. Again, control slash means comment will come. Comment will what? Come. So whenever you want to comment means control slash you can type. You don't want comment means again control slash you can type. The comment is gone, right? Yeah, the comments are executable code or non-executable code. Non-executable code, right? Total 3 points, guys. Comments like to write a description of the logic and to disable the code timing you go for the comments. Go for what? Comments, right? Good. Next one. And no? Comments are non-executable code, right? Executable or non-executable code? That's it. That's the comments. Yeah. Hey, HTML tags here I written the DD capital letter. D definition is DL. Any problem is there? Is that HTML is a case sensitive or not a case sensitive? HTML is not a case sensitive. Yes. You can write the capital HTML also. Just you can write the capital letters. All are capital letters I written. Head. All control A, control uppercase U. Control lowercase means L. Control what? Lowercase, right? Good. I read in uppercase case. Any problem is there? All are coming as uppercase, right? Yes, HTML code tags are case sensitive, not a case sensitive. Not a case sensitive. We can write any case, it's not a problem. Any case we can write. Any problem is there? No, right? That's something. And nested tags means what? See guys, this DL is declared under what tag? This DL definition list, which is declared under what tag? Under what tag is written? Body. Definition list is written under the body, right? Body is written under the head, right? Yeah. under the HTML, right? Good. HTML contains two subtags, head and body. Head is separate, body is separate. So DL is written under the body. Body written under the HTML. DT written under the definition term. Definition term is written under what? DL. DL is written under the body written under the, that is called nested tags. Declaring the tag inside another tag, right? That is called nested tags. Don't think too much about that point. Just declaring DL is under the body is under the HTML. Declaring the tag inside what another tag. That is what tag among nested tags. Hey, 3 points, guys, about the comments. Write the description of the logic and like that. Second one is what comments are like. No, so this is the tags. Tags are case sensitive, not a case sensitive. It's not a case sensitive. Third one is what nested tags. Declaring the tag inside what another tag. Declaring the tag inside another tag, that is called what nested tags. What tags are? That is called list topic. Yes. How many types of list total we have? What are 3 types? Order list, unordered list, definition list. Order list, what a tag? What a tag, order list tag. Every list item? Every list item, what tag? Li. Unordered list, what tag? Definition list, what tag? Definition list contains what subtags? D, DD or DTF first? DT means definition. DD means definition, description, right? That's it. We got it up. Good. Hey, you write the 3 examples, right? Whatever they feel. Like order list example one, order list and preface. You start the HTML tag, write the head and the body. In the body, write the order list. Write some 5 movies name. On order list, you write some food names. Definition list, you write some coffee information and tea information like that. How many examples? Open the book, take the example one, write the example one. You don't write these all the points. Take this one as a summary. You choose a reference purpose. You take this one as a reference purpose. Write how many examples? 3 examples. Take this one as a reference purpose. Write the 3 examples. Clarify the logic of the code. Yeah, it's not like clarification, so that new developers can understand the code easily. Because you are permanent, the code is permanent. Example 1, order list, write the example. Example 2, an order list, write the example. Example 3, definition list, write the example. That's very important. See guys, we have the entities are there in the HTML. Entity is nothing but symbols. Entity is nothing but what? Symbols. See, some websites you are saying copyright symbol, right? What the copyright symbol you are saying? Copyright symbol. C is something like that, right? Like that. Registration symbol or like that, no? Good. See guys, we have the HTML entities. HTML entities that is nothing but symbols and result characters. These all are the HTML entities we have. The entity can be represented in two ways. The entity can be represented how many ways? Two ways. Something like entity name you can write. The entity name starts with what operator is here? Under. Ends with a semicolon. Ends with what? Semicolon. Okay, requirement based learning, one day you will not become a scientist. Remember always that one day you will not become a scientist. Day by day progress is very important to make yourself is comfortable. So today I told me tomorrow you will not become a scientist. Always you check that growth of the your skill. Growth will come. You don't think like one day, one night if you sit you will become a programmer. Not possible. Got it? ఒక్క రోజులో ఏం అవదమ్మా keep on growing. I'll tell you some stories later. కొన్ని stories చెప్తాను మీకు. But think like slowly we need to improve yourself, right? Good. See guys, this is the entities HTML entities like symbols. Like entity can be represented how many ways guys here? Two ways. The entity name starts with what? Under, ends with what? Semicolon. See guys, this is called under. Entity name is there. Then you can put the semicolon. You can put what? Semicolon. మీరు ఎంత ఇన్నోసెంట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను అక్కడ అది రావట్లేదు అప్పుడు మీరు ఏమడగాలి సారు ఏమడగాల సారు అక్కడ రావట్లేదు సారు అంటారు మీరేం చేస్తున్నారు సొత్తా ఉన్నారు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు సొత్తా ఉన్నారు చూడండి అడగాలి కదా I intentionally stopped because I'm expecting response from you guys. But మీ రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారా చూస్తా ఉన్నారు నాకు చెప్పాలి కదా సారు అది రావట్లేదు సారు అని గుడ్ HTML entities can be represented two ways guys. One is the entity name. Entity name starts with what operator under and ends with what semicolon. This is called this is a copyright symbol. We have the entity number like this and we have the entity name guys here. Second one is the entity number. Entity number can be represented the entity number starts with what under hash, ends with what is a semicolon. See guys, entity number can be taken as two types. One is a base 10 format is there 0 to 9 numbers you can take. Sometimes huge numbers they go for the hexadecimal format. They cannot remember the 5-6 digit number, right? That's what they are making what? The hexadecimal number. Hexadecimal number which starts with under hash x. X is represented like a hexadecimal number. What number? Yeah, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number contains what? 16 bases. Nothing but 0 to 9 and A to F. A to F. So the entity can be represented two ways. One is entity name you can write, which starts with and operator, ends with semicolon. Second one is what? Entity number. Second one is what? Entity number. Samantha. ఏం చేస్తున్నారు కాదు There is like entity number. Entity number is what? Decimal numbers are there and hexadecimal numbers are there, which starts with what? And hash number put the semicolon. Here what? And hash one more character is what? X, right? Exactly. See guys, you don't remember these all the entities. Just we have the website like or codepulse-r, codepulse-r UI/entity. You can go for this UI/entity guys. Here we have the multiple entities are there. Entity multiple entities. See guys, we have the multiple entities. Go for the UI. Go for the entity. See guys, in UI we have the entity here. You click on that entity. Yeah, we got this link here. We got the entity like this. See guys, we have the multiple entities. So if you want this symbol means just you can copy this entity. Just if you want symbol, which symbol you want, just you can copy that entity. You click on here. This is called entity name is there. This is called what entity number. Like there we have the multiple entities are there. Which entity you want, you can check that entity. Nothing but what about symbols. See guys, 1 by 4 is there, 3 by 4 is there. These all are like symbols we have. Like n number of symbols are there. What do you want? Just you can copy that number. So that we have all the symbols like that symbols and some tags are there. Like this we have this money symbol, car symbol, flag symbol. These all are symbols. Like this is the entity name guys. Which symbol you want? Just you can copy that symbol. Symbol you want what? Copy that symbol, right? Good. Guys, let me do one thing. Go for the online compiler. Here I want to make the some entity data here. Go for the entity data here. Welcome to yeah. Welcome to the file. Go for the data here. Good. See guys, I want to copy the entity means just you can take the one paragraph tag here, paragraph tag here. This is like something like copyright symbol. See guys, to take the copyright symbol like this, entry name starts with what and operator. And operator just you can write what copy and put the semicolon. Now you can see that is the entity. Can you see the right side we have the copyright symbol, right? What the symbol you got here? Copyright symbol. Like that, we got the copyright symbol. Like that, you can take the entity what name. So under entity name, put the semicolon. So I want registration symbol. Just you can write the REG, put the semicolon. Right side, you can see guys. Now we got the what symbol here? Registration symbol, right? Got that. This is like entity. What you can say guys here? Names. Entity name. So yes, go for the website. Like we have the multiple entity names here. We have the multiple what entity names. Go for the entity code like that. See guys, what symbol you want, just you can take that symbol here. And let me take this for the charging symbol here. Go for we have the entity number. See guys, entity number starts with what amount? Unknown hash 9889 is there. Just you can copy that entity number. What entity you want, just you can copy that entity number. Just you can come to the file and just you can paste the number. That's all. Now see guys, we got what symbol there? Charging symbol, right? Got like just you can check the entity number. Check what entity numbers. Yeah, like that. See guys, we have the top side we have the options like division. You see guys, this is a currency symbol is there, mass symbol is there, arrow symbol is there, multiple symbol. Let me go for the currency symbol. You can go with the Indian currency symbol. There is Indian currency symbol, guys. This is a symbol. You can go for this like you ask the chat GPT or you can ask that what the entity number required. Just you can click on this, copy this symbol here. Click on what, copy that symbol. Then you can come to the file. Just you can place what the data here. That's all. That is called this is called entity number. Now you see guys, right side we got the currency symbol, right? What symbol there? Currency symbol. See guys, if you go for the some chess symbols are there, you can copy the chess symbols. You can copy this number like this is a king or something like that. You can come to the file and you can paste that. You can paste that number. Just you can check the output here. We got the chess symbol, right? Got it. So it's the entity numbers, guys. What entity you want, just you can take that entity and display that entity, right? So the entity can be represented how many ways, guys? Here? Two ways. One is the entity name. Second is what? Entity number. That number can be how many ways? Two ways. One is what? What? One is what? Entity decimal format and hexadecimal format. See guys, why the hexadecimal format means you see this entity under hash the number is there. For the number we have 128512 something like that. See if you place the data here, just you can come and place the data here. Now you see guys, we got some symbol like this. What symbol guys this is? Any symbol? Laughing symbol. We can try chatting. What symbol that is? Yeah, that symbol. But this number is too large, right? So remembering this number is what large number is there. That's what they are going for, they are going with what? Entity hexadecimal format. The same symbol in hexadecimal format, just we have the whole like this. So it starts with what? Hex. Starts with what? X, right? Good. Under hash, and we have the X 1F600. So these large numbers can be represented as short form using what hexadecimal format, which is starts with what under hash x 1f600. X600, right? So I like that guess. Just what entity you want, just you can copy that entity. You can come to, just you can check the entity numbers once. And I don't remove these numbers. Rather than put numbers and don't read it. Just you can copy what the entity you want. Come to the application, what number you want, just you can go from the compiler. Just you can paste that entity. Now you see guys, we got the some money symbol, right? Good. Guys, that is like entities. Entity is nothing but what are symbols. See, for example, you want a credit card or debit card symbol you want. This is the card, right? Just you can copy this number. Once if you copy this number, now you can come to the file. Just you can paste that number. That's all. Now see guys, we got the card symbol, right? But these all are the symbols. The symbols are represented by what are entities. Entities can be taken how many ways? Two. One is entity name. Entity name starts with the and operator, ends with the semicolon, right? Ends with what? Semicolon. Well, that's all about entities, guys. Just you can check that entity number. Just you can check some example for that. See, guys, then you can write that final point is today class is what completed. I read a message like today class is completed, but today class is completed. I need to give some gap. See, guys, if I want to give the gap means what I give the gap like this. Some intentionally I want some gap, guys, but gap is coming or not coming? Right, is not coming because paragraph is ignoring the line breaks and the spaces. That's what you take what tag pre. When you take the pre tag, what the space is coming, right? Good. But see, guys, I want paragraph only. I need some spaces. If you want space, means you can go for the entity like see, guys, if you want space here, you can go for the under NBSP is there, non-breaking space is there. Now see, guys, right side you got some space, right? This is like you don't give a space in the code, just you can write like this. See, right side you can see space is increasing, right? We right side space increasing or not increasing now? That is called entity number. Under semicolon, right? NBSP, this is called entity number. Sir, but these many instead of NBSP, guys, you write the EMSP is there. EMSP. Emphasizes space is there. EMSP is there. EMSP. Now see guys, what the EMSP purpose is getting one space or multiple spaces. NBSP means single space, guys, space bar. EMSP means a tab space. What space? Tab space, right? Exactly. Okay, that's called tab space. You can copy this one and you can paste one more. Like use gap is coming, right? So NBSP means what use gap is coming? A small gap. NBSP means small gap. We go for what? NBSP like this. We got it? That's like that. Hey, today we completed types of list. How many types of list total we have? Three types. One is the order list. Second one is the unordered list, definition list. And we complete the comments. Write the description of the logic and the syntax we understood. Next one is what? Nested element. Element inside another element is called what about nested element. And we talk about the cases. HTML is a case sensitive, not a case sensitive. Not a case sensitive, right? Case sensitive, not a case sensitive, not a case sensitive. And we talk about this one, right? Entities. Entities means what? Symbols. Entities means what? Symbols. We can write entity name to it, or you can copy with what number. That number can be two ways. One is the decimal numbers are there, hexadecimal numbers are there, right? Good. So you got it up? That's it. Good. Hey, one last point if you want, let me take the last point. See guys, we have the order list is there and order list contains what li tag is there. Li tag I written the apple, first li tag. And second li tag you written the, tell me guys, li tag you written the apple and you written the next one is what is your mango. How many elements are coming right side? Two elements. See guys, apple have the, so different apples are there, right? What are different apples? Like green apple, red apple, yellow apple, like that. Mango also we have the green apple, yellow apple, something. Sorry, mango also what? Green mango, red mango, something like mangoes, right? It means what I want in the subcategories. I want in what subcategories? What we should do? Hey, this is the first list item. The sub list, like the first list item contains what subcategories. That's what here opening and closing is there. First list item open and close like this. You please cross check that this is opening of the first item, closing the first item. But this item contains what? Subdata. Subdata means like, here you can take the again unordered list or ordered list, whatever it may be. Then you can take what type of one? Li tag. Just you can write what? Green apple. What type of green apple? Got it right? This is like green apple you can write. And you can write the, yeah, green apple, green apple like this. That is called what? Green apple, red apple, and what? Yellow apple, something like that. If you want to change the type, just you can make the change the type. I want to make it as a square. Proceed output. Yes or no? But this is a list item opening here, list item closed here, because that list item contains the subparts. To take the main categories and what are subcategories, right? Right, to take one main category and the subcategory. Now you do one thing, go for the mango also. Mango opening and what are mango closing. Here mango list item, mango closing. In the mango, just you can take what? Order list, something like that. Go for the order list here. And you can take what? Li tag. And just you can write what? Green mango. Like that we got the data. Now we got the green mango and we get the red mango, something like that. That is called what nested list. So here I don't want 1, 2 means go for the order list, take the whatever type attribute, make it as 1. So, so main categories and what subcategories. On the list item, on the li tag, you write the sub. You write what sub, right? Like that. That is called what nested list. So nested list is useful for like declaring the categories and what subcategories. Categories and what subcategories, right? Exactly. So you got it up? Good. Hey, today all of you complete the quiz 3. Quiz 3 complete cheyandi. Complete the learning process of list elements or the list elements complete cheyandi. Got it up? Today we completed HTML list and HTML entities. Entities can be represented how many ways? Two ways. One is entity number, entity name. Entity number and what? Entity name. Entity number can be again differentiated how many types? Two types. One is the decimal and the hexadecimal. The entity number starts with what? Unknown hash. Ends with the semicolon. Ends with what? Semicolon. Right? Wait, that's it, guys. Got it up? Good. Write the points. Yeah, first you write the example 1, order list example 2, unordered list example 3, definition list. What to write? Online people, you are doing the website work, right? Quizzes and learning process. Yeah, if possible, do it. Not possible, ignore. No problem. Hey, jobs required for you. Then who should work? Faculty should work, or student should work. మీరు కష్టపడితే మీకు జాబ్లు వస్తాయి మేము కష్టపడితే రావు సో యూ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ యువర్ వర్క్ దట్స్ ఆల్ Online people check the website, write the quiz. Monday we'll meet. Bye.